Roll to 1K.
Roll to 1K.
Yeah, when I hit that Tuesday, talking all my life, yeah, I am not no pussy. I got bitch drink, you just see my damn bitch.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening.
You want a burger and a salad, Trump? Like cookies right here, the best cookies right here. Fresh out of work, about to cook some burgers, about to take some shots, and I'm good with that, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a good vlog, so stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna show y'all how we get down in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Big L, make sure y'all subscribe to her YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Roll the 1K in here, dog. Roll to 1K, man. My freaking phone hurt from working. I hurt. What hamburger buns do y'all be getting? Y'all get the Wonder. That's what I'm gonna get. One day got the ballpark tailgaters. Everybody know this the best chips in the game. I'm about to go in on these burgers, babe. I'm telling you, I'm about to go in on these burgers. Trying to see what type of patties we're gonna get. I want to be past it. They up in here. They got one that's already made, and they got the ones we can make. It's always hard to find the right cheese, I tell you.
Cause I don't like it thick like that. I like it like this, but they don't have it. It's like just have to get this one.
This right here is the best mayonnaise that y'all ever gonna taste in y'all life. And that's facts. Went in for burgers and got all this other stuff, y'all. Because of her.
You gonna blame me? You gonna blame me?
We supposed to be getting burgers. Burgers and bread.
We got to eat after today.
How much do y'all think all of this come up to? When we get to the house, I'm gonna unbag it so y'all can see.
What kind of shit is that?
You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I'm gonna take the shit back and watch patient.
So yeah, we just made it home, and I'm gonna show y'all guys what me and Ebony got from the store. You know what I'm saying? So come over.
So we got the white cheese you did. We got some organic herb salad. I don't know why she wanted that with her burger, but she got it anyway. We got some honey turkey you did. Got the Lay's chips, you know what I'm saying? The barbecue's probably the best one out of there. We got some ramen noodles, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with the ramen noodles, you did. Gotta have that. And, you know, I put, you know how black people get with noodles, so yeah. You know what I'm saying? We got the ground chuck, you know what I'm saying, for the burgers. Then she got some shredded lettuce. I don't really know why she got shredded lettuce, because I use the one that you actually can pull off. Yeah, so I don't know why she done that, but you know what I'm saying? We got some bread just for the sandwiches you did. The sandwiches. So honey wheat, it's a good bread. We got some Olive Garden Italian dressing. It's pretty good. Y'all should try that if y'all never had that. And then got some tomato. I about to say tomato sauce, but we got some ketchup. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. So yeah, we got some chunk pineapples. Yeah. And most importantly, besides the hamburger patties, we got the hamburger buns. Oh, I forgot about this. The mild cheddar, that's for the salad people, so yeah. And you know what I'm saying, this video really gonna be pretty lit because later on at night, you know what I'm saying, we taking shizzots, bro. Like, we going in, you did. But yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how we get down in the kitchen, bro. Sub to the channel right now, leave a comment, like, you know what I'm saying, just run him over, go.
Real mob ties, real frog eyes, real whole pies, all time high. Do it for the culture, they gon' bite like vultures.
This is what the finished product look like, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be slapping. Big Eb on the grill. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, saying. Let me know in the comments of if you will eat this or not. Y'all, we gotta take a shot and we about to make this little stove run and QT real quick, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned.
CeeLo said, boy, you need to take them chances. Yeah, Corey said, boy, you need to go to Atlanta. I got young.
He was asleep. Bro was gone. So don't even really got the donuts I was looking for. Oh yeah, they do. They got them right here. They're the ones I like.
Oh, I was talking about these.
Oh nah, I don't really like them like that.
I didn't know what you said.
Stop it.
Nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Hey. Whoa, chemo sobbing, chopper aiming at your noggin. Hey. Had to cut the audit, then the top I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket. Mama told me not to sell words.
So y'all, I inspired this trip because I kept saying that I want some sweet. And it had a cake that I wanted. I wanted like this strawberry. I think it was like a strawberry cake with like a cream cheese frosting. They didn't have it. So I got me some blueberry donut holes.
Let's look at them things.
I'm about to roll these suckers up. They about to be busting. And I got some sugar cookie dough that I'll probably eat later.
Yeah, that look pretty good.
It's edible cookie dough.
Especially them, what you say them was?
Blueberry donut holes.
Oh yeah, that look good.
I used to buy these all the time.
Boom, y'all. This is what I went and got. The donut off. I don't know what these things called, but they busting. You know what I'm saying? You put them in the microwave. You know what I'm saying? You put them in the microwave, and I'm telling you, they're going to be slamming, bro. Straight slamming, bro. Like, you got to try it. If y'all got a QT, go find these. Put them in the microwave for about 5 seconds. It's going to change your life. With that being said, man, I'm about to close this video out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Rich.
Yeah, when I hit that Tuesday, talking all my life, yeah, I am not no pussy. I got bitch drink. You said see my